Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Snapchat account. Here's how to do it. Open your Snapchat app, click on your profile at the top left corner. Now click on the gear icon at the top right corner, which is the settings. You're going to see an option that says delete account. Click on it. Here you see an option to delete an account. Here you have to put your username and your password and click on continue. Do have in mind your account will only be disabled for 30 days. Then after the 30 days period, your account will be permanently deleted. So that's how you delete your account on Snapchat. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.